Hi everybody, Marty with Bearcat. So here we are today, we're ready to chip. We're going to walk you through some of the features and functions of this machine before we get ready, along with checking our fluids, and just show you some of the major components that we're going to be using today. So you want to note as you start off on this side, down here we've got our tach and our hour meter. This is going to read your engine RPMs along with keep track of the hours the machine's been used to keep track of the service on this guy here. Along with that, see we've got our throttle control, our engine choke, our key switch, our belt engagement. See we've got it in the engine start position. And then as we start the chipper, we'll give it a little bit of throttle and we'll go ahead and engage that. As for now, we'll continue working around the machine. Check our fuel level, we're topped off. Always a good thing to check your oil levels. There we go, we're spot on in oil. I've already went ahead and I've lowered our in-feed chipper shredder chute. You want to note that anything less than 3/4 of an inch, we're going to put on this side or our in-feed chute. It's a lot of brush, small branches. As we work our way around to the back side of the machine, this is where we're going to do the chipping of the machine. Anything up to 5-inch capacity. So we're going to be putting through here, right here. Then also note, down here we've got our rotor lock. You would simply remove that pin and lock the rotor into place, and that's for rotor service when you're removing the blades or checking blade sharpness. You're going to want to lock that rotor. And then of course down here we've got our shred chip size adjuster. That's going to change the size of any of the debris that's coming out of the discharge tube, and to change that, you just simply move that to whichever desired debris size you're after. In this case, I'm just going to leave it on large. And again, keep in mind when you're running our machinery, always good to have proper PPE, good nice tight fitting gloves, earplugs, and you may require a hard hat. So let's go ahead and start this machine up. Now, as I said before, on a cold engine you may have to give it a little bit of choke, a little bit of throttle before turning over the engine. Once the engine starts, if you want to shut the choke off, ramp up your throttle to about 15 to 25%. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to slowly engage the belt. And once the system's up and running, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn that throttle to wide open throttle. So here we go. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on our channel to learn more about Crary Bearcat products and get tips from the pros like me, and see our equipment in action.